Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about maintenance myths and actual truths also as far as that goes. One of the biggest myths that I like to debunk and talk about all the time is manufacturers moving their oil service to 10,000 miles. Unfortunately, we have vehicles that burn oil today, and even a new vehicle can sometimes run through 5 quarts of oil within 10,000 miles. So what we strongly recommend is changing your oil and filter every 5,000 miles on your vehicle. It will keep the engine in good working order, prevents internal engine damage, timing chains, guides, items like that. So that is the number one thing. I strongly recommend 5,000 miles for oil services on all combustion engines as far as that goes. As far as other things, I've seen statements on the internet that state you should change your coolant every oil change. Nothing could be further from the truth on that as far as that goes. We want to make sure that the coolant does get changed every 3 years or 50,000 miles. We recommend at the West Automotive Group. But as far as that goes, that's just one of those things. Other items you should really follow the manufacturer's recommendations. Belts and belt tensioners, spark plugs when they're recommended by the manufacturer, obviously cabin air filters and items like this when they're dirty, transmission services every 18 to 20,000 miles, and keeping on top of the other items recommended by the manufacturer.
Watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.